The Stoichiometry Interactive Calculator solves chemical reaction calculations for converting between mass, moles, and determining reaction yields. Let's explore the calculator's features. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include mass-to-mass conversion, mass-to-moles conversion, moles-to-mass conversion, limiting reactant determination, percent yield calculation, and empirical formula from mass percent. For this demonstration, I'm using mass-to-mass conversion. The input fields for this mode are mass of reactant in grams, molar mass of reactant in grams per mole, stoichiometric coefficient for the reactant, stoichiometric coefficient for the product, and molar mass of product in grams per mole. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 for mass of reactant, 10 for molar mass of reactant, 10 for both stoichiometric coefficients, and 10 for molar mass of product. After clicking Calculate, the results show moles of reactant equals 1,000 mole, calculated by dividing the mass by molar mass. Moles of product also equals 1,000 mole since our stoichiometric coefficients are equal. Finally, mass of product equals 10,000 grams, obtained by multiplying moles of product by its molar mass. This tool streamlines stoichiometry calculations for any chemical reaction. Find the link in the description below.